In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Canva business cards. We'll go from opening Canva all the way to sending your design to the printer so you can have a crisp professional card in your hands by the end. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva, then head over to the official website. Once you're there, sign into your account. If you already have Canva open, make sure you're logged in so you can access your designs and export settings without interruptions. Next, choose the business card template you want to print. This can be a design you've already created or a new template you've customized. Take a moment to review the details. Check the text for spelling, confirm your logo looks sharp, and make sure colors and alignment are exactly how you want them. It's easier to fix anything now than after printing. With your design open in the Canva editor, look to the top right and click the share button. From the options that appear, select download. This opens the download panel where you'll choose the best format for printing at home or in the office. Set the file type to PDF standard. This option keeps your text clear and graphics clean while producing a file that's quick to download and friendly with most printers. It's a solid choice when you're using a typical home or office printer and don't need a heavier print shop file. Now click download. Canva will prepare your file for a moment. When the download is complete, open the PDF from your browser's downloads bar or your downloads folder. It will open in your default PDF viewer or directly in the browser. Inside the PDF viewer, click the print icon. This brings up your print dialog. Here, select your printer, choose how many copies you want, and confirm the settings. For best results, set the scale to actual size or 100%, so your card prints at the intended dimensions, and choose a high quality paper setting if available. If you have thicker cardstock designed for business cards, select the appropriate paper type in your printer options. Printing one test page first is a smart way to verify alignment and color before committing to a full batch. When everything looks good, click print. Your printer will begin producing your business cards ready to cut or separate depending on your paper. And that's it. You searched Canva, logged in, chose your template, downloaded a PDF standard, opened it, and printed it. Follow these steps each time you update your card, and you'll have fresh, professional-looking prints on demand.